Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a zip file on your Windows PC. It is really easy and simple. So let's start the video. First of all, select the file that you want to create a zip file. So I'm going to select some pictures here. It can be any documents or any videos, and you can do it exactly the same way, so you don't have to worry. After selecting it, just select all of them. I'm going to select these three, right click it, and here you can see the option send. And after seeing that, you can see the option compressed or zip folder. Just click that, and as you can see, my zip folder is already ready, and you can rename it as you like, or you can leave it as the default. So in this way you can pretty easily zip any files that you like. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.